Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Home Depot tool rental via application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open the application and set your local store to ensure the tool is available nearby. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the search bar right over here and then search for the equipment you want. So for example, power drill, just like that. And once you go ahead and search for it, you can simply go ahead and check the availability. So browse and then see if the tool is available for the required dates. While you can check availability in the app, you can also typically select the exact rental duration for 4 hours, 24 hours, weekly, when finalizing the reservation or at pickup. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.